Hello everybody, so let's begin with I'm going to show you the tools I use the often. Okay, basically what I use the most for modeling, and I'll put it on my shelf. And those shelf is this ones, or those ones more likely, sorry. So how to create a new shelf? You go over here where the little arrow is going there and click new shelf. You're going to name it whatever you like. I'm going to share it to put it on face modeling. Bunch these modeling. There you go. You have the new one. Over there are the most used tools. You can go to polygons and click on here polygons. And you're going to have the tools you use most for modeling, because the other ones are animation, surfaces, dynamic rendering, dynamics, and customize. So here we go. When you're over here, to put something on the shelf, you have to put shift and control in the same time and click on whatever you like. So by example, we're going to put export selection. So what happens if you have export selection here? So when you're going to have something, it's going to ask you whatever you want to export it on the desktop or anything. So now you can also click on these little arrows, well, not arrows, little lines, and click it on, and what you are going to have is all the same thing grouped in ones. So over here I'm going to use in this section duplicate special, and I'm going to click Ctrl Shift at the same time and click it on. So we're having this one. Nice. Now in the modify I'm going to do the same thing and click on center pivot. What first going to do is going to center your pivot in the center of your object. I know it's redundant, but sorry for the way I say or do things. We're also going to use reset transformation and freeze transformation. After that, I'm going to go on to create, and I'm also going to create a sphere. So this sphere usually is 8 by 8 I use, but by default it's 20 by 20. So I'm going to apply, and it's going to pop out over here. And also you have to click interactive creation and deselect it, because if none, if I re-click it, I have to go to sphere, and it's going to ask me to drag the object and make it like that. So over here I'm going to unselect the interactive selection and go back to over here. It's 8 by 8, so when I'm going to apply, it's going to make the sphere normal, because if not, it asks us to insert it manually. I'm going to close this window over there, and also I'm going to put I'm going to use mesh now. I'm going to be needing combine, separate, and extract. Also, I'm going to need to fill hole, create polygonal tool, and sculpt geometrical tool. That's it. And now with edit mesh, I'm going to need extrude a lot, very much. Interactive split tool, insert edge tool, and also I'm going to use merge to center, and merge vertex tool. I'm also going to use the normals over here. I'm going to soften them of the edge, and also I'm going to reverse. What's going to happen often if a face is reversed, it will kinda distort it. So here I'm wearing my now using demo, which is this one for the moment. So we have all the tools we really much need. By example, I'm going to remove something. I'm going to remove the merge selected component. If you don't remember which tools are over here, you only drag your mouse and wait a little second and it will pop out the message that what it is. Like this one, it's merge vertex, border, edge based on selection. To delete an object, well, a selection, you go over here and you go to shelf editor. And basically what you see over here are what you use on your face modeling shelf or any other name you use it. And also you can see the icon as a preview. So what I don't need is merge to center because it messes up more than anything else. I'm going to click on the delete item where the trash can is, and that's about it. So my next video is about modeling your face or anything else. So we're done for the moment. So